Welcome back to Cooper High School. It's our All-State Player Profile brought to you by the Allstate Insurance Office of Kevin Rendring, 1511 Calvary Drive, Suite 101 in Florence. His phone number 859-657-6000. And with us from the Cooper Jaguars, dwarfing over me, is Louis Maniaki. And Louis, we talked to you at the preview show a couple weeks back, but you guys got some games under your belt at this point. Talk about the start of the season here. You guys are starting to get your football guys back after last weekend, but kind of talk about how the start of the season's gone so far.
So far, so good. It's nice to have our football guys back, I'll tell you that, but the first game was a little rough because they shadowed me and Zach the whole game. We didn't really prepare for that, but now we got all of our football threats back. We should be pretty good.
Talk about the games that you've had. Who have you had so far? Tonight, Newcath. It doesn't get much bigger than preseason number 1 against number 2. Talk about who you guys have played so far and kind of your expectations for the game tonight.
We only played one game so far. We played Walton, but for tonight, we just got to guard. That's honestly, you just got to guard. That's all you can really do is just guard and prepare for what they got. They match up really well with us, so just got to guard. Just guard.
They are kind of in the same boat. Both teams coming back, from down at Western over the weekend. But this is a big game. There's going to be a lot of people watching this tonight, a lot of people listening, and if nothing else, it's a preview of coming attractions toward the end of February. And I fully expect the two teams here tonight to really be in the hunt to head down to Rupp. Talk about some of your supporting cast that's going to be helping you here tonight.
Well, right now it's all about the students, and they're helping us, and then we got all of our fans, our parents, and coaches are all rooting for us. It is a big game, like you said. They left a bad taste in my mouth from the last time we played them. I do want to beat them really bad, but with all the support we got from our football family and our basketball family, we should be pretty good.
This year a little bit different look with Zach McNeil coming in from Walton. We talked about it at the preview show. What does his game bring out here at Cooper so far? What you've seen?
It's a tremendous help. When they double down, and he can double down in the post, and you kick out to him, and he can penetrate. He can get to the rim at will. He's a pretty good ball handler, and it helps because when they have to double on him, that means one of our bigs are open. It's kind of like what Walton did. They doubled on me and Zach and our other big, our sophomore at 19. So he helps create on offense, and he's a pretty damn good guarder.
There you go. Well, we will wish you guys nothing but the best here tonight as you have Newcath. The season is still very, very young, and a lot of success for you, with the rest of the season, and then getting toward the postseason as well.
Thank you.
All right. When we come back, we'll continue here from Cooper High School. It's Newport Central Catholic and the Cooper Jaguars here on Tri-State Internet Sports Radio.